Hello everybody, I'm Michael Strahand, board member at SWIG, the Sensors for Water Interest Group. I've got the pleasure and the honour of chairing our nutrient monitoring workshop, which is being held at Crewe Hall in Cheshire on April the 5th. Yes, it's a real world event. The workshop is going to focus on how sensors can be used to monitor nutrients in our waterways, rivers and lakes, etc. And this is clearly a big focus at the moment with all the attention on the state of our rivers and our natural environment. We're also going to hear how we can measure nutrients in wastewater treatment processes. So not only will the workshop address the problem, nutrients in our rivers, we're also going to address a solution, how to better control our processes to make sure they don't get in the river in the first place. We're going to have some fantastic presentation from technologists, sensor manufacturers and sensor users, and the scene will be set for us by the Environment Agency, who will put in the legislative background and requirements and permitting. So come along and join us for a real world event, April the 5th, Crewe Hall, nutrient monitoring from SWIG. Look forward to seeing you all.